When it comes to video editing apps, iOS has always had better video editing apps than Android, but that is not true anymore because now it's the other way around. Android has a lot better video editing apps than iOS has. So for example, Kinemaster for Android, it beats iMovie big time, and heck, it actually is better than Final Cut Pro 10 on a Mac. I mean, Kinemaster for Android can do anything. Everything you want, you can do in Kinemaster on your Android phone. So for example, here I have two projects in Kinemaster. If I start this project, I can edit the project by clicking on the edit icon. And here I have my video project, and here we can, for example, zoom. We can zoom way down to frame by frame by zooming with your fingers. So zooming into what you will edit is really easily to do in Kinemaster, and you can add text layers. So for example, if I want a new text layer here, I can click on layer, and here you see all the different layers you can add. You can add text, and this I will call test, like that. And the best thing with Kinemaster is that you can move the text everywhere you want. You can't do that in iMovie for iOS, for example. But in Kinemaster you can have the text exactly where you want and how big it is you want and so on. You can change font, and you can change animations. You can choose an in animation exactly as you want and so on. You can do so much with a text layer. You can't do that in iMovie, for example. So that's awesome. Another thing that is awesome in Kinemaster is that you have this audio editing feature. You can raise the volume, you can have the music, the background music higher than the normal voice and so on. You can do some compressing, left and right compensation and all that. It's brilliant, really. You can do a lot with the recorded audio. And other layers you can use here is effects, different effects, and you can buy more effects if you want. But here you have some effects, some basic effects, Gaussian, blur and mosaic, for example. So you can add an effect layer, and you can also do a voiceover layer by record a new audio, like this, for example. Now I record some new audio, and I can insert that audio into the video directly by recording it here. So if I want to cut my video, I can just choose here and do this. As you can see, trim to left of playhead, trim to right of playhead, split at playhead, extract audio, split and insert freeze frame and so on. So split at playhead, for example. Then I have splitted this video into two. I can now go in and do this, for example. I can shorten that video, I can do that there, and so on. So I really like that, and you can have some speed control, you can rotate and mirroring, color filters, color adjustments, volume envelopes, audio filters, and have a vignette. So this is awesome. And the other here is that you can crop the video. So if I want to crop this video by doing this, I can do that, like that, and now it's cropped, as you can see. So I can do that really easily in this video too. And you can have some handwriting. I can write directly on the video itself, as you can see. Really cool. And I can have some images and so on directly in my video, and a lot of more stuff. I can do an overlay, classic stickers. We can have a sticker there, for example. Pretty cool. So I can move this sticker around and have it there, and so on. I can animate the sticker and all that. So I can basically do anything I like in Kinemaster. So Kinemaster is way better than iMovie. Way better. This is a real video editing app that you can use for professional use. It's awesome, actually. You can do anything you want in this. There is nothing you can't do. You can do some blue screening, green screening, and all that too if you want. So I can do basically everything I want, and I can capture a frame. So for example, if I want this frame in the background as my thumbnail on YouTube, I can capture that frame and save it to my device, my Android phone. So it's brilliant. This is brilliant, and I can have a lot of different tracks, layers, and all that. So this is the best video editing app I have ever used on a phone. Nothing beats Kinemaster. Nothing. Okay, bye.